When your Somfy remote stops working, the first thing to check is the battery. Most Somfy remotes use either a CR2032 or CR2430 battery. Here's what the batteries look like. The CR2430 is slightly thicker than the CR2032, but both are common coin cell batteries available at most stores. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check the motor's power connection. Unplug the motor from power, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. This simple power cycle can resolve many communication issues between the remote and motor. For battery-powered motors, you'll need to check the battery wand connection instead of unplugging from the wall. If you have a battery-powered Somfy motor, check the battery wand connection and ensure the battery contacts are clean and properly connected. Sometimes motors can overheat and go into thermal shutdown mode to protect themselves. If your motor has been running frequently or in hot conditions, it may have entered thermal shutdown. Simply allow the motor to cool down for 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Finally, if your motor has mechanical push-button limits, these may need to be reset. Some Somfy motors have mechanical push-button limit switches that can be reset if they're causing issues. Check your motor's manual for the specific reset procedure. These 5 troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of non-responsive Somfy remotes. Most issues can be resolved quickly with these basic checks. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve your Somfy remote issues, the next step is repairing the remote with your motor. This process reestablishes the communication link between your remote and the motorized window covering. The repairing process involves 2 simple steps. First, press the programming button on your motor. You typically have 10 seconds to complete the next step, so be ready. Within 10 seconds of pressing the programming button, press and hold the My button on your remote until the motor responds. The motor will typically jog or move slightly to confirm successful pairing. If repairing doesn't solve the issue, radio frequency interference might be the culprit. RF interference can disrupt the communication between your remote and motor. Radio frequency interference comes from many common household sources: power lines, electric motors, wireless devices, and even lightning can disrupt your Somfy system's communication. To address interference issues, first identify potential sources near your window coverings. Common culprits include Wi-Fi routers, baby monitors, fluorescent lights, and other wireless devices operating on similar frequencies. If interference persists, consider using a Somfy signal repeater. This device amplifies and extends the range of your remote control signals, helping overcome interference and distance limitations. Modern Somfy systems offer extensive smart home integration capabilities. The Tahoma app provides centralized control of your motorized window coverings and allows you to create automated scenes. The Tahoma app transforms your smartphone into a comprehensive control center. You can schedule scenes, set timers based on sunrise and sunset, and control multiple window coverings simultaneously. The app allows you to create scenes that automatically adjust your window coverings based on time of day, sunrise, sunset, or manual triggers. This provides both convenience and energy efficiency. Somfy is actively developing compatibility with the Matter protocol, which enables seamless integration with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa ecosystems. To ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features, regularly update your Tahoma app and check for firmware updates for your Somfy devices. This keeps your system compatible with new smart home technologies and security protocols. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Repair your remote using the programming button and a My button, identify and address RF interference sources, and leverage smart home integration for enhanced control and automation.